MT Orchestra back. Going to be doing another Pokemon opening for my nephew here. Just bought 4 random packs. Like I said, I don't know what I'm looking for in any of this, but we're just going to dive right in. And, you know, until my buddy mentioned it, didn't realize how much wasteful packaging this is. But, let's see what we get. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I think this is still the 4 trick. I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll find out. Yep. So Energy, Claydol, Acerolas, Premonition, Pot, Helmet, Turtwig, Trapinch, Piplup, Shroomish, Purloin, Ultra Ball, Klinkling. Nothing too special. Going to the next one. This one's a Fusion Strike. The other one was just Brilliant Stars, so. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, cool. Should be Energy. Yep. Electric. We got a Gliscor. Got a Centiskorch. I have no idea what that is. A Bug Catcher. Plusle. Muna, Meowth, Meryl, Helioptile, Cram-O-Matic, and a Granbull. Oh, that was kind of a shiny card. Kind of a reflective. I don't think the Granbull's anything special. Sword and Shield Fusion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, I always want to pull a 5th one. Another Energy. We have a Schoolgirl. We have a Luxio. Have a Marshtomp. Another Plusle. A Vulpix. A Meltan. A Toxel. A Staryu. A Mantine. And an Asselgore. No idea. Well, last pack. One, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Expshare, Purugly, Tower of Darkness, Rimraid, Spearow, Pachirisu, no idea, Cheerub, Mindfu, a Cargol, and a Lickalicky or something, I don't know. As far as I know, nothing special. If I do have something special, I'm pretty sure my nephew will let me know when he watches this video. So, but at that point, probably just some cards I'll end up giving to my nephew. Other than that, that's just me opening up a quick Pokemon pack. And as always, MT Orchestra is out.